Imagine leaving the chaos of Lagos and stepping into pure calm. No noise, no rush, just nature and peace. This is Lufasi Nature Park. Welcome to Lufasi Nature Park, a hidden gem right in the heart of Lagos. If you ever feel like escaping the noise of the city, this is one of those places that instantly slows everything down. From the moment you step in, you are surrounded by nature, tall trees, fresh air, and a calm atmosphere. That's honestly hard to find in Lagos. Yeah, nature isn't just something you see, it's something you feel. If you are into soft life, calm energy, premium experiences, this is your kind of spot. In a city that never slows down, places like this are rare. Every corner here looks intentional, clean, natural, and beautiful. At first, it feels like just a peaceful escape. But Lufasi Nature Park is so much more than that. This space has quietly become a destination for moments that matter. From intimate weddings surrounded by nature to birthday celebration that feels more personal, more intentional. Even schools bring their students here not just for fun, but for experience, learning beyond classroom. And it does not stop there. From time to time, this same environment transforms into a film set, welcoming creatives from Nollywood alongside music video production and visual storytellers. Because when a place looks this good and feels this calm, it naturally becomes a canvas for stories. Lufasi isn't just a location, it's a space where moments turn into memories and ideas come to life. Since 2013, this place has been dedicated to nature, and by 2016, it opened its door for people to experience it. Every shade of green here feels intentional, like nature took its time. The deeper you walk, the quieter your mind becomes. Surrounded by nothing but trees and clarity. Here, the green isn't just a color, it's a feeling. It's the kind of place where nature does all the talking. Peace here isn't forced, it just exists. Lufasi is not a zoo, it's more like a sanctuary. What makes Lufasi special isn't just the views, it's the experience. This is home to rescued animals like monkeys, turtles, birds, all being cared for and protected. This is what intentional living look like. Calm is the new luxury, and this place understands that. The full meaning of Lufasi is Lekki, urban, forest, animal sanctuary. Not everything valuable has to be loud. This is peace in its purest form. Some moments don't need words, just presence. Right here, everything slows down. The water does not rush, and neither do you. Peace like this, you don't find it everywhere. This is a different kind of luxury. Calm, clear, and completely yours. Nothing loud, just everything right. In a city like Lagos that never stops, this exists. Such an atmosphere to relax, breathe in fresh air for good health. Sometimes you just need to sit and be. No distraction, just presence. This is where you come to do nothing and enjoy everything. A space designed for stillness, soft life in its simplest form. Thanks for watching. This is B. Collins Films, where every experience feels different. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, let's keep exploring. I will see you on the next one.